Hey everyone, I'm going to show you Diesel Repair's VIN Decoder. So there's a couple ways to get to our VIN Decoder within Diesel Repair, either here on the home screen or over here in Primary Tools. Going into the VIN Decoder, you can enter a VIN or search recent VINs that you may have looked up. Once I enter my VIN, it's going to decode it. And what that means is it's going to give me an instant leak over to fault codes, wiring diagrams, and technical repair docs. Below that, we have about 17 different data points, everything from the manufacturer to the engine to the fuel type, and just a lot of information about the VIN or about the vehicle. But right below that, we even go VIN to part. So a lot of different components here, everything from after treatment systems, cab cooling systems, HVAC, electrical, and a lot more. It's a great jumping point to a lot of different repair information, part information, and just general vehicle information. We offer it here within Diesel Repair, again from the home screen or over here on the left-hand menu under Primary Tools. Check it out and let us know what you think.